Welcome to Absolute Health Plus. Today's video reveals one of the most dangerous foods hiding in your kitchen. It's not sugar, it's not salt, it's something you cook with, snack on, and even think is healthy. But after age 60, it can silently damage your heart, brain, and immune system. Experts call it a silent killer for older adults. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it is, how it harms you, and how to protect your body. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at processing fats and sugars. Metabolism slows down. Inflammation rises. The immune system weakens. Your organs, especially your heart and brain, become more sensitive to the food you eat. Even a seemingly harmless meal can trigger long-term damage. That's why understanding the danger of processed oils is critical. The real threat lies in processed vegetable oils like soybean, corn, and canola. These oils are refined at high temperatures and often contain chemical residues. They're found in chips, crackers, salad dressings, and even health bars. They cause silent inflammation, the root of many age-related diseases. Long-term use is linked to memory loss, heart disease, and even cancer. Inflammation starts quietly, attacking blood vessels and brain tissue. You might not feel it, but over time, it changes how your body works. This chronic inflammation is why vegetable oils are so harmful for seniors. Your immune system stays on high alert, which wears it down faster. That's why many experts now recommend completely removing these oils from your diet. Your brain is especially vulnerable. Processed oils interfere with communication between neurons. This leads to poor focus, forgetfulness, and even depression in older adults. Studies show high intake of refined oils is linked to greater risk of Alzheimer's. Protecting your brain means removing the source of inflammation. You have the power to make that change. Starting today, vegetable oils don't just hurt your brain, they damage your heart. They increase bad cholesterol and cause plaque buildup in your arteries. This raises your risk of stroke, heart attack, and blood pressure spikes. Even small amounts over years can cause major damage. But switching to healthier fats can reverse some of this damage. Processed oils contribute to stubborn belly fat and insulin resistance. This leads to type 2 diabetes, which affects energy, mood, and memory. Removing these oils helps your metabolism recover and improves insulin sensitivity. Weight loss becomes easier. Blood sugar becomes more stable. Your body feels younger, lighter, and more energized. How do you know if oils are affecting you? Here are some warning signs. Chronic fatigue, unexplained weight gain, joint pain, brain fog, mood swings, digestive issues, skin breakouts, or dull complexion. If you're experiencing these, it's time to change your oil sources. It's not too late to heal, even in your 70s or 80s. Healthy fats can protect and heal your body after 60. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Avocados are loaded with brain-boosting fats and fiber. Wild salmon provides essential omega-3s that reduce heart and brain inflammation. Walnuts support memory and mood thanks to their healthy fats. Here are easy swaps to remove bad oils from your kitchen. Use olive oil for salads and light cooking. Use avocado oil for high-heat cooking like roasting and stir-fry. Use butter or ghee in moderation for flavor and healthy fat. Avoid foods with ingredients like hydrogenated or partially hydrogenated oils. You are in control of your health. Every bite is a step forward or backward. Ditch the silent killer and choose oils that heal, not hurt. Thanks for watching Absolute Health Plus. Like, subscribe, and share this with someone over 60.